Dong, saka na may fee. Kinch! Kinchi! Kinchi! Ayaw nagnaog! Stay lang ka niya! Ayaw nagnaog! Go Raf! Kaya Raf! Tanawas!
Pasa!
Kinchi mga dong!
Ah!
Sige na, go try, let's go! Ken!
Next game, pitch number 1, Group A, Mix 11, Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanduman United Team B. Next game, pitch number 1, Mix 11, Group A, Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanduman United Team B. Pitch number 2, next game, Mix 11, Group B, Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team
Saka.
B versus Marigondon Kickers. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B versus Marigondon Kickers. For pitch number 3, next game, Mix 11, Group C, Team Ateneo de Cebu versus Cebu Dolphins FC. Ateneo de Cebu versus Cebu Dolphins FC. For pitch number 4, next game, Mix 11, Group D, Team Lox Orients versus Kanduman United Team A. Lox Orients versus Kanduman United Team A. For pitch 5A, Mix 7 Group A, Kanlungan FC versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Kanlungan FC versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. For pitch 5B, Group B, Mix 7, Cebu United versus Marigondon Kickers. Cebu United versus Marigondon Kickers.
Bate!
For pitch 5C, Mix 7, Group C, next game, DP Liloan versus Danao City FC. DP Liloan versus Danao City FC.
Special thanks to Temple of Rhea, Ash Wash Laundry, Design It All, Southland Tours and Travel Incorporated, Kitsu Development Corporation, Jack Holdings, Lantorama, Molave Transportation, Cloud Break Incorporated, Zigwood Kitchen Cabinets, Cafe Side, Gracious Catering, 3W Outdoor Advertising, Aloy Ramirez Films and Aerials, 4A Agroscience Corporation, Touch Laundry Services, Kumain Secrets, 4S Car Rentals and Services, Archangel Sports Apparel, and Speedfast Manpower Services Incorporated. Thank you to all our sponsors for making the 8th Sacred High School Ateneo de Cebu Football Cup possible. 1 month, 3 formats, 1 passion, 1 game.
We would like to remind everybody of our zero waste policy for this tournament. And now we would also like to remind everyone to support our Majesty Eagle Snack Bar as they are now offering catering, water, and ice. Thank you.
Ha? Live kasi?
Hello? Kon record lang. Okay, tabuni itong kwan. Keeper ba? Kaya diri para ba? Ano nakangamo itong ta.
Rafi! Striker ka dong! Go! Kinchi!
Sakit din
Bingo!
yung coach.
Boy, right ka! Kinchi! Dong! Dagan nyo!
Sakit. Sakit dili.
Balik ka, balik! Pwede lang! Balik!
Lagi. Kuya! Kuya Sinay! Kainit ay. Harap kasi.
Di man.
Harap kasi na.
Ano kay kuan to taas sa butaw ng
Iya
pato
lang.
na ko ba?
Wala ko kapalit man.
Mama, nakay tubig.
Rico!
Go, Rafi!
Basta si Bastel niyo mo.
Oh, yan lang.
Maganda guys.
Again, next game, pitch number 1, Mix 11, Group A. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanduman United Team B. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanduman United Team B. For pitch number 2, Mix 11, Group B. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B versus Marigondon Kickers. Marigondon Kickers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B. For pitch number 3, Group C, next game, Mix 11. Team Ateneo de Cebu versus Cebu Dolphins FC. Ateneo de Cebu versus Cebu Dolphins FC.
Okay, field, no?
For pitch number 4, next game, Group D, Mix 11. Team Lux Orient versus Kanduman United Team A. Team Lux Orient versus Kanduman United Team A. For pitch 5A, Mix 7, next game, Kanlungan FC versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Kanlungan FC versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. For pitch 5B, Group B, Mix 7, Cebu United versus Marigondon Kickers. Cebu United versus Marigondon Kickers.
Nice.
For pitch 5C, Group C, Mix 7, DB Liloan versus Danao City FC. DB Liloan versus Danao City FC.
Kuya Sinay!
Ah!
Again, coaches for Mix 11, palihog submit sa iyong line of form. Coaches for Mix 11, palihog submit sa iyong line of form.
Ang bula nasa tumod mo. Ang bula may ayaw na ang tao na po. Ano pa?
Nice to soy, nice to gang. Ano ko niya? Init na.
Laro kay kasbid ko koy. Nagpangam, pamaakod. Run dito, run. Pi, kaya pi. Go, Kobe!
Kobe!
Go!
Nice one, Kobe, boy!